this happens all the time, specifically in like this public group and inside of the inner circle. They'll spend hours reviewing copy, like finding like we got to shave like 2 or 3 words because somebody said the best message is 140 characters, not 160 characters. It needs to be on the second line. The link has to be here. And like, you're fighting over razor thin margins right now. Just launch your damn ad, get it like 80 to 90% immediately, right? And then focus on like down the line. Because what the mistake that we make is the same mistake that we hate other people making. So like, I hate it when a plumber comes in and talks about the wrenches in the pipes. Like, I don't give a shit about there's shit in the bathtub. Fucking just fix it, right? Just fix it. It's up to you to use the tool, right? The mechanic that talks about like valve timings and piston, like, I don't care, man. I just need my car driven, right? We accidentally do the same exact thing to our clients. When we talk about landing pages and chatbots and soap opera sequences, 90-day or 180-day, what we're doing is we're getting too technical and forgetting that the best way we serve is by getting results as fast as possible, right? So like for everybody watching this, whether in the public group or in the inner circle, spend less time on your landing page, spend less time on your ads, and just focus on getting the result as soon as possible. Then your client will have more money to pay you next month. You don't get paid extra because it took you 30 days to deliver what I could do in 3 days.